Hey, what's up guys, welcome back in another video. In today's video we're gonna show how to replace an LCD in Samsung A20s. So let's start with the process. First thing that we're gonna do is turn on the heat gun and put it in 200 degrees. Full speed, and let heat up the back. We're gonna heat up this back for about 3 minutes maybe, or 2 minutes, something like that. But watch. How have you been, guys? It's everything okay there? I hope it's everything fine. As you see, the LCD is broken, so we're gonna fix it. And to do that, we have to remove the back. And after that, you're gonna see the process. Stick to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like my channel. I hope you enjoy watching my videos, and if you have any advice or if you see something that is wrong there, comment down below. You can use plastic cards, or you can use something that is thin, and you're gonna find a gap where to open the thing. So we are in the top, and just scroll it, not like too much pressure, no need too much pressure. So slowly you're gonna remove that, and okay, careful with the fingerprint. Okay, where are you going, my friend? And this is it, guys. This is the first step that you have to do to open this phone. After that, we're gonna remove all the screws that are on here. Some of the screws are glued because of the back, and we must remove them all. So the next step is like open the back by using a playing guitar tool, and we're gonna put it in the side of the frame. You know, you need to be careful with that. Just okay, and it is. And we're gonna give it like around the full frame. Careful with this, because you may damage them. Don't put it too much side, and okay, after removing this, you need to be careful with the fingerprint, and we remove. This is the next step. So let's remove the battery. This is the battery, and this is the LCD. To remove the LCD, we must remove this one, this thing. We're gonna spirit this process plastic, and we're gonna get them some scissor bite to remove them. And this is a little bit sticky, but you must heat it up a little bit if it's not opening. So careful with something. This is an antenna here, and you need to be careful. After you open a little bit, you have to remove the antenna, and that's it. Or another solution is you can remove this from here. There's the solution for that. And this is the speaker. So after removing this, you must remove the LCD. To remove the LCD, you need to heat it up this for about 5 to 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes, something like that, and it will be ready to be opened. Now in our case, it's already open, and you're gonna see it by itself. I think this LCD has been removed, it's been replaced before, so this is it, guys. Like, just be careful, follow the steps, and nothing bad will happen. So this is the old, and we must get the new one, and that arrives in 5 minutes maybe. So after this process, we must clean the edges of the screen to be ready for the new LCD. Oh. A good clean is it's important, so we're gonna speed it up a little bit, this process. So what's up, guys, welcome back. We are back, and we got the screen. As we said, this is a screen. The first thing after the process we have done, we're gonna test the screen, if it's everything okay. So let's open the screen and test it out. Okay, I hope it has battery, so careful with this screen. Looks like it. Let's put the battery on. Okay, the moment of truth. it's on. So I hope, no, it has like, let's try this one. No, 1 2 3 4. No, we're gonna try it this way. So write as many number as you want. About the colors, you can see that it's everything okay. You take the numbers and you scroll them all down to the screen. So like screen, it looks like good and it's okay because it doesn't stop everything looks fine. It looks fine. Okay, I think we are ready to put it on. If we want to turn it off, we can't because we need the code. So just unplug the battery and the screen, and let's install it. Be careful when you get. So the next step is using B7000 or U7000 to glue the screen. Just be careful, don't hurry, slowly, and everything will go as you want. So let's start by putting the glue on the side of the phone. So there's something stuck in here. I'll remove it and let's start. Screen is here, and we don't need these anymore. Let's take them off. Not too much glue. And I think it's ready to be glued. So carefully take the phone and the screen and slowly put the down part first, but before that don't forget to remove this. It's a glass about the camera and it keeps clean if you have it in your screen. So you put the down part first and it goes with the connectors, and then you release it, and it looks like everything is going perfection. Yeah, it looks nice, boy. It looks nice. You face it down, you put the screen on the place and you put the battery on. After that, let's get the buzzer. Don't forget the buzzer. And After the buzzer, we put the screw. Therefore, there are like 8 screws, but the one who opened this phone let only 4 of them. So don't forget the antenna is an important thing to put. And I forget totally to put the antenna, you know, like this is messed up. I totally forget that. Oh my god, so noob mode. What I was thinking, you know guys, what I was thinking. This is not a good thing, but anyway. Put the antenna here and put the antenna. So let's put the antenna here. We have the connector. Okay, and then we put the buzzer. So it goes like this. It has its own path, but we're gonna try like fixing it and putting it on the place. And hurry, my friend. So this is it. And these are not the missing screws, as I said before, because these are the screws of the back cover, you know, like, so don't mess up, guys. Okay, don't mess it up. And this is it. So let's put the thing carefully. You press it down and it goes in place. No worries at all. Like slowly, just give it a crunch and everything will be fine. Okay, as you hear the crunches thing. Okay, so we have these screws to put them all on the place, and you have to be like fast because it will dry, the silicone will dry. But don't worry, it's not that easy to dry, but you have to do like your best. Alo, alaikum salam. Tu ke dyqani? Po. Haj. So we're gonna put the glue on the side to put the back glass. So alaikum salam. Chabara. Sì. Ciao Corrigioi. Ciao Corrigioi. ما صفرتش. صفر. صفر. Chabara ولا ما صفرتن. So after this process, we have to put the headband and we're gonna hold it for 2 hours like this, on this condition. So just careful with this. Put it like in a slow-mo. 1, 2, 3. On big screens, it's good to put like 4 of them to make a good thing. And on small screen, you can put just 3 of them and to like this one. So this is it, guys. Let's give it a turn it on, and it looks everything is fine. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you. If you have any comment below.